of coolness.
So, why did we end up at Kaunas airport? Well, a week ago my friend who lives in Ireland called me. He needed a car for a few days to handle some stuff. He asked if he could borrow mine. So I jumped into my Alfa, drove here and took the train back to Vilnius. After a few days he left my car somewhere around here and flew back to Ireland. Let's go find her. She should be in one of these parking lots. Nope, not here. Ah, there she is.
Yeah, ain't nowhere we could be if two or three don't agree. If you and me don't evolve, yeah, you and me don't evolve, yeah. Ain't no plans out of sight, ain't no talk back or fight. If you and me ain't involved, yeah, you and me ain't involved, yeah, yeah. How you gon' say that? Girl, I don't play that. I ain't gon' lay back. What you want, come my life? Yeah, you know, girl, we go way back, yeah. How you gon' say that I'm the one at fault when we both involved? Ain't no plans out of sight, ain't no talk back or fight. If you and me ain't involved, yeah, you and me ain't involved, yeah, yeah.
A few months ago I bought this cheap radio from AliExpress. It has wireless CarPlay, which is cool, but it looks a bit odd in here. The worst part though is the sound quality. Just listen to this.
I really gotta show you about this Trinity King. I guess this is how it is when you from the island, man. So I took a flight to Tobago, FOG down. Man's on the ends, Londonville to the sea town. Dreaming with a ski man, a beamer with the T down. And she wanted to me, tell me, baby, what you need.
Maybe I need better speakers.
Steady switching plays, yeah. Steady switch. I've been in the dirt, yeah, dipping the hurt. Digging through baggage, feeling like merch. All of this drama ain't even worth. Hey, girl, you know I love you. How you gon' say that? Girl, I don't play that. I ain't gon' lay back. What you want, come my life? Yeah, you know, girl, we go way back. How you gon' say that I'm the one at fault when we both involved? 'Cause ain't nowhere we could.
I ordered an upgrade, the Alpine S6e 7050s in the front and Alpine S6e 7025s in the back, in the rear. Today's job is to install them and hope for the best. It looks like the old ones are completely dead. hope this sounds good.
Y'all keep looking for that new way. I think I like it how it is. Call peace on Tuesday. I got y'all keep looking for a new way. I think I like it how it is.
My shit on dumb flame till the wheels fall, I'm on road rage.
Okay, this still sounds like trash. So, I went out and grabbed some proper old school gear, a Pioneer head unit. Not gonna lie, it looks way better than that cheap unit from China. But the most important question, does it sound better? Actually does, but it looks like the bass is almost non-existent. What would you recommend changing next on a tight budget? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.
smoke in real life where the whole world broke.